Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make mango turmeric tropical smoothie. So this is so refreshing. It's so yummy. Yesterday I went to the gym and I stopped by. So in the UK we have a supermarket called Tesco's. Stopped by, got myself some smoothie. I bought it, and it was actually a little bit pricey. So I was like, it was delicious, very yummy. I had these same ingredients in there. Maybe one or two missing, but I took out the ones that I'm not really too keen on. And it was so delicious, so yummy, so refreshing. And I was like, let me just make this today from home because I feel I can maybe increase the viscosity of it and just put in more of the stuff that I like having within my smoothie. But I took some of the ingredients, some of the ideas, and just put that together. Okay, so let's move on to the tasting now. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! That is so yummy. I'm not gonna give away what ingredients we put in there because you'll see that when we move on to the recipe shortly. But wow, it's very refreshing, very yummy. It's sweet enough, but it's not too sweet as well. And it's also got the added benefit of having some fresh turmeric put in there, which is very good for your immune system, and anti-inflammatory properties, anti-aging properties. The list goes on and on. So let's move on to the recipe now. So here I've got a tropical smoothie mix. So the fruits in here consist of pineapple, mango, and papaya. So I have one of these sachets. They're like 150 grams. So it includes these three fruits: papaya, pineapple, and mango. And I'm going to now use that, place that into the grinder. So if you don't have this sort of sachet, what you can do is you can just cut pieces of mango, pineapple, and papaya and place that into here. So here I have some fresh turmeric. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of this, like cut a slight piece of this and have this grinded as well, because it really gives a good taste. And it's, as you've seen on this channel before, and there's many videos where we've used this superfood ingredient. It's really good for your health. It's really good as an immune booster, as an antioxidant. It's got various other it's got anti-inflammatory benefits as well. So we've got fresh turmeric over here, so we are going to use some of this. Cut a small piece over here of turmeric. If you don't have this, what you can do is you can use turmeric powder, as we've done in previous videos. I would always recommend that you use some sort of organic turmeric powder, but whatever turmeric you've got, just try using that. It really is a good ingredient to have. So that goes inside. I have half a glass of semi-skim milk that goes inside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt into here, like that. Okay, great. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of honey, and that will be the final ingredient for this wonderful smoothie. So I'm going to give it a grind now and then taste it. Okay, now we've got this wonderful mixture. Place that in there. Look at that. It smells absolutely wonderful. Look at that. Okay, you saw how to make this mango, turmeric, and tropical smoothie. Very simple to make, but the rewards are very mountainous in terms of the taste. Also in terms of it's very good as an energy booster as well. When you are doing some high-paced activities, when you're doing some sort of intense workout, or if you've even had like an intense day in terms of even the work that you do, having this is just so useful. It's really good. It really works as a way of refueling your body and giving you the energy, and also replenishing the energy that you lose throughout the day, or sometimes even through intense workouts and through exercises. So with that said, do like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. share this content to as many people as possible. Comment below whether you are going to try this beverage out and whether you have any recommendations in terms of smoothies, in terms of milkshakes, in terms of beverages, or in terms of anything else. It could be desserts, starters, main courses, salads, some sort of fruit dishes, whatever comes into your mind. Feel free to let us know, especially those people that are from, there's a lot of people from various different nations that do watch our content. So maybe you have like a national dish that we've never tried. So it'll be a good experience for us to just look at those recommendations and try those out and then share it with you guys on this very platform. So with that said, catch you in the next one.